Today we are reviewing one of Baltimore's most talked about boutique stays, the Kimpton Hotel Monaco, Baltimore Inner Harbor.
This historic hotel blends early 20th century architectural charm with modern style and a central location just a short walk from the Inner Harbor and cultural hotspots around downtown Baltimore.
Located in the old Baltimore and Ohio Railroad headquarters, this 202-room boutique hotel has a striking Beaux-Arts exterior and a dramatic lobby. Oh my gosh, a heavy door. I'm gonna dump this and, oh, what else we got? Oh, wow. Check out the shower.
And we've got couch, that's nice. Got a TV, a fridge. We got ironing and free bike loans for exploring the city.
Here are the pros. It's an iconic historic building with character and charm, central downtown location making it easy to walk to attractions, Kimpton perks like wine hour, spacious rooms and pet-friendly policy.
Some of the cons are we really like having coffee in the actual hotel room, and this hotel doesn't provide that, at least not in this room. We have to go downstairs to the second floor and get some of the free coffee that they put out there, which is good coffee, but you still have to go to the second floor lobby to get coffee. The other thing is we could really use a microwave. Most hotels have that, and that's something that was a little bit of a disappointment.
If you love historic hotels with boutique style and are after a walking-friendly downtown base in Baltimore, Kimpton Hotel Monaco, Baltimore Inner Harbor delivers on charm, atmosphere, and convenient access to the city's highlights.
Just be aware of mixed service reports and extra costs like parking. There's a city garage nearby for $40 a night, and that's cheaper than the valet.
Overall, it's a solid pick for leisure stays and short city trips, especially if you enjoy boutique personality over a cookie-cutter chain experience.
Hit like if you found this helpful and subscribe for more videos centered around travel and exploration.
And let us know in the comments where you would like to see us explore next.